morning, students.
Yes, answer.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you?
I'm fine.
So, do you know how to use number line?
No, I don't know.
Okay. So, I'm going to teach you how to use a number line. So, 3 plus 5 equals,
I don't know.
okay, let me show you. You start with 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we start with 3 number, 5 steps. Now 1, 3 here to the right. Let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 8. Number 2. Number 2. I'm going to teach you mathematics. So, I will teach you how to use take away by using a number line. 6 take away 4. So, you need to go backwards, not forward. Forward like you are using plus. Going backwards, minus. So, you need to use this. You have to see the arrow. So, 6 take away 4. You go backwards. You need to do 1, 2, 3, 4. You see, the answer is 2. Now, 4 take away 3 equals.
Think too long.
Yes. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Now, 4. 3 steps. 1, 2, 3. The answer is 1.